야, 오디션이야?
옷 몇 개 입은 거야? 왜 바지 위에 바지 입었어?
와, 이게 뭐야? 와, 대박. 와, 느낌 쩔어.
야, 뭐야. 멋있다, 야.
아, 멋있는 척 쩔었다, 나는. 오디션 셋. 그리고 이제 뭐 계속 연락을 기다렸죠. 연락 계속 기다렸다가 คือเหมือนแบบเราจดใจแบบจดจ่อแบบตั้งใจจดจ่อแบบรอแบบทุกๆวันจนถึง2 เดือนแล้วพอแบบพอรู้ว่าเขาเรียกเราคนเดียวแบบเฮ้ยมันเป็นไปได้ด้วยเหรอแบบ เราต้องสู้กับเขาแหละเราต้องสู้กับเขาให้ถึงที่สุดดูสิว่าไอจะต้องเทรนไปอีกกี่ปีดูสิว่าเอาให้มันรู้กันว่ามันจะต้องเทรนไปอีกสักกี่ปีอะไรอย่างเงี้ยค่ะ 다행인 게 제니 언니가 있어가지고 언니만 영어 가능했던 사람인 거예요. 그 연습생 중에서 언니랑 영어 하기도 하고 뭐 되게 자연스럽게 된 것 같아요. 뭔가 합이 잘 맞았어요.
We just got along so well because usually there's like, oh, I want to sing more, or oh, I want to be in the middle. There's always those little fights going on in the groups. But when it was the 4 of us, it was clear what we were doing, and that's what made it possible for us to be in it.
아, 이뻐.
아, 그거 진짜 옛날. 막 다크하고 센 걸 많이 해서 그런지.
As soon as I came back, I did an audition, and luckily I got in right away. I was still like, wow, these people are so.
I was 16. And then I went and auditioned, and then they called me and they were like, can you fly to Korea within 2 months?
God knows we were there, and I won't give up.
And then my whole life, kid.
Congratulations, Rosie.
And I think I enjoyed having 2 lives, kind of like Hannah Montana. It's funny. After all of this,
저는 경기도 군포시 3번에서 자랐습니다. 저는 그 부모님이랑 언니 오빠랑 할머니 할아버지랑 같이 살았어요. 이제 연극 부였는데 고2 때 연기 쪽으로 가볼까. 진짜 처음 본 곳이 YG였어요. 저는 처음 회사에 왔을 때 솔직히 YG라는 회사에 대해서 너무 정확하게 파악을 하고 온 게 아니었어서 저랑은 되게 먼 일이라고 생각을 했던 것 같아요. 다른 친구들보다는 좀 늦게 시작을 해서 저는 친구들이랑 추억도 많이 쌓고 학교에서의 생활도 많았어서 지금 생각하면 그게 좀 다행이라고 생각이 드는 것 같아요.
It's not easy. The repetition, but at such young age, they are able to absorb all the techniques and the tools that they need.